I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Audi A4 from the B8 generation, produced between 2008 and 2015. This model is a staple in the premium saloon segment here in the United Kingdom, known for its sleek design and advanced engineering. However, like many Audis, it comes with its share of weak spots that every potential buyer should know about. Let's start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as per our channel's tradition. The timing chain tensioners are notorious for failing prematurely, often leading to costly engine repairs. Many owners report rattling noises from the engine bay, which can escalate to complete chain failure if not addressed swiftly. Turbo failures are another major headache, particularly in the TFSI petrol engines. These turbos can suffer from oil leaks or bearing issues, causing a sudden loss of power on the motorway. Regular servicing is crucial to mitigate this, but it's a weak point that has frustrated countless drivers across Britain. High oil consumption is a widespread complaint among A4 B8 owners. Some engines burn through oil at an alarming rate, requiring top-ups every few hundred kilometers. This issue stems from piston ring design flaws, and while Audi issued some fixes, it's still a common gripe. Carbon buildup in the direct injection system plagues the petrol variants. Over time, this leads to rough idling and reduced performance, often necessitating walnut blasting to clean the valves. It's an expensive maintenance item that catches many owners off guard. The water pump, especially in models with the 2.0-litre TDI diesel engine, tends to fail earlier than expected. Leaks or complete breakdowns can cause overheating, stranding you on the side of the road. Proactive replacement during timing belt services can save you from bigger headaches. Electrical gremlins are not uncommon in these Audis. Faulty door locks, malfunctioning infotainment systems, and erratic central locking can turn a simple drive into a frustrating experience. Many issues trace back to corroded wiring harnesses, exacerbated by the UK's damp weather. Suspension components wear out faster than average, particularly the control arms and bushings. This results in a clunky ride over pothole-ridden British roads, and replacements aren't cheap. However, the car's Quattro all-wheel drive system provides excellent grip in wet conditions, which is a definite plus. On the brighter side, the Audi A4 B8 boasts a refined interior, with high-quality materials that still feel premium years later. The cabin is spacious enough for family use, and the boot offers a generous 480 litres of space. Fuel efficiency is respectable, with diesel models achieving around 15 km per litre on the motorway. Handling is one of the car's strong suits, thanks to its balanced chassis and precise steering. It corners with confidence, making it enjoyable on twisty country lanes in places like the Lake District. The optional S-Line package adds even more sportiness without sacrificing comfort. Reliability can be good if you stay on top of maintenance, but neglect it, and repair bills soar. In the UK, independent specialists often handle these cars well, keeping costs down compared to main dealers. A well-maintained example can provide years of dependable service. The 2.0-litre TFSI engine delivers punchy performance, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 7 seconds. It's responsive and fun to drive, especially with the manual gearbox option. However, turbo lag can be noticeable in lower revs. Diesel engines, like the 2.0 TDI, are torque monsters, ideal for long hauls on the M1 or M6. They offer strong pulling power for overtaking, and emissions are relatively low for the era. Fuel costs stay manageable at around £5 per 100 km at current pump prices. One downside is the high cost of parts. A new turbo can set you back over £1,000. Timing chain repairs often exceed £2,000 at a garage. Budget accordingly if you're eyeing a used A4 B8. The Multitronic CVT transmission in some models is prone to juddering and failure. It lacks the smoothness of traditional automatics, and replacements are pricey. Stick to the manual or S-Tronic dual clutch for better longevity. Quattro models excel in snowy winters, a boon for those in Scotland or the north. The all-wheel drive distributes power effectively, enhancing safety on slippery surfaces. It's a feature that justifies the slight fuel penalty. Interior tech, while advanced for its time, can feel dated now with the lack of modern connectivity. The MMI system is intuitive, but Bluetooth issues arise frequently. Upgrades are possible, but they add to the ownership costs. Braking performance is solid, with good pedal feel and strong stopping power. However, brake discs and pads wear quickly if you do a lot of urban driving in cities like London. Expect to replace them every 40,000 kilometers or so. The exterior design ages gracefully, with sharp lines that still turn heads. Rust is rare thanks to good galvanization, but check the underbody for corrosion from salted roads. Paint quality holds up well against the elements. Fuel tank capacity is 65 liters, allowing for ranges over 800 kilometers on a full tank for diesels. This makes it great for cross-country trips without frequent stops. Efficiency drops in city traffic though, hovering around 10 kilometers per liter. One positive is the car's safety credentials. It earned 5 stars in Euro NCAP tests. Features like multiple airbags and stability control provide peace of mind. Child seat anchors are well placed for family use. However, some owners report issues with the adaptive headlights failing. Bulb replacements are straightforward, but the system's complexity can lead to higher repair quotes. Visibility remains excellent overall. The ride quality strikes a nice balance between comfort and sportiness. It's composed over bumps, absorbing the imperfections of UKB roads admirably. Optional adaptive suspension elevates this further. In terms of value, a used Audi A4 B8 starts from around £5,000 for higher mileage examples. Well-kept ones with full service history fetch up to £15,000. Shop wisely on sites like Auto Trader to avoid lemons. The saloon body style is the most popular, but the Avant Estate offers more versatility with 505 liters of boot space. It's perfect for lugging gear to the countryside. Both handle similarly well. Engine options include the 1.8 TFSI, which is frugal yet peppy. It sips fuel at about 13 kilometers per liter combined. Turbo issues are less prevalent here compared to the 2.0. Diesel particulate filter clogs can occur if the car is used mostly for short trips. Regeneration cycles need longer drives to complete, or you'll face warning lights. It's a common urban ownership pitfall. The steering feel is communicative, giving drivers confidence at speed. Electric power steering in later models is lighter but still precise. It's a joy on open roads. Cabin noise is well suppressed, making motorway cruises relaxing. Wind and tire noise are minimal, even at 120 km per hour. It's quieter than many rivals. One weak spot is the thermostat housing, which can crack and cause coolant leaks. This leads to overheating if not caught early. Regular inspections during services help. The optional Bang & Olufsen sound system is a highlight, delivering crystal clear audio. It's worth seeking out for music lovers. Bass systems are adequate, but lack punch. Depreciation is steep initially, but levels off for used buyers. A 10-year-old A4 holds value better than some competitors. Resale is strong in the UK market. Front seats are supportive for long drives, with good adjustability. Rear legroom is decent for adults, though not class-leading. It's comfortable for 4 passengers. Climate control works efficiently, heating up quickly in chilly British mornings. Dual-zone setups allow personalized comfort. Fan motors can become noisy over time. The glove box and storage compartments are thoughtfully designed. There's ample space for odds and ends. It's practical for daily use. Warranty extensions are advisable for peace of mind, covering up to 100,000 kilometers. Many providers offer them for around £300 annually. It cushions against big repair bills. In summary, the Audi A4 B8 is a sophisticated machine with thrilling dynamics and a premium feel. Its downsides, like timing chain woes and turbo troubles, demand vigilant maintenance. Overall, it's a solid choice if you're prepared for the costs. This car would suit enthusiastic drivers who value performance and luxury, perhaps professionals commuting long distances, or families needing a reliable all-rounder. It's ideal for those in rural areas where Quattro shines, but less so for budget-conscious city dwellers wary of repair expenses. If you can afford the upkeep, it's a rewarding ownership experience. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.